Around the late 1600s, the West African arrived on the southeastern coast of the United States, inhabiting approximately 1,000 sea and barrier islands as far north as Wilmington, North Carolina, southward to Jacksonville, Florida, bringing with them a rich and diverse culture by representing many West African nations: Angola, Nigeria, Ghana, Sierra Leone, Gambia, Cameroon, and Senegal. Although it was the intent of his European captor to socialize the African to ways that he would have them behave, the ways of enslavement, isolation, and statements that declared the African to be absent of culture and animalistic in nature, so far from the truth